Hello everyone, how are you all actually doing? I hope you are all doing superb, being productive and still enjoying your life. Okay, so today's video is about everything that I received on my 21st birthday, and these exactly happened to be 21 gifts. So I'm gonna show you all the 21 gifts I received on my 21st birthday. So let's get started. So the first one happens to be this beautiful Michael Kors handbag, and oh my god, this is my first designer bag that I ever received. It's so beautiful. It's like so pink even on the inside. I love it. My god, it's the most beautiful bag I own, I believe. Not because it's Michael Kors, but also because of how stunning it looks. I love everything about this bag, and it has this MK written all over it. It's so pretty. I love the colors. So yeah, this is my top one. Has to be my top one. My god. Now let's get to the second one, which I don't know if you all know me, but if you know me, you know how much I love lip care products and lipsticks. This is the YSL lipstick, and I don't know, like it's written in some other language totally. Yes, Saint Laurent. It's in the shade Desire Rose. Look at that. It looks so stunning. I'm gonna put this on right now. I love it. It's so beautiful, right? And the second one, well, I already told you, like, I love lipstick. So we have another kit. And this is by MAC. I already opened it, so which is why you see it like this. Oh my god, I love this one. It's in 3 colors, red, pink and brown. So I think it's pretty basic colors and they're so cute. Oh my god, look at that. I love the packaging. It's so cute and adorable. Since I already have my lipstick on, I'm not gonna put it on top of my lips. I mean, there are 3, so I'm just going to apply it on my hand. That's the brown. Let's try the red. Now let's see the pink one. So pretty. I love these lipsticks and that cute packaging. They look so adorable, and even their packaging is so adorable. Like, it's too cute. Like, what do you mean? Okay, and we have one more lipstick. So is that the 4th product already, 4th gift? So this is Rituals by Rituals. I don't think we find this YSL lipstick or Rituals one in India. So it's in the shade Nude Kiss. Mild formula. The packaging is like pretty, how do I say, elegant. Like, it's pretty basic. It's all gold, and this is the shade. It's really pretty, this shade. I love the shade. That's the Rituals lipstick. Now we have a kit, and let's check out what's inside. And this is what, 5th, number 5. I think gift number 5. Happiness can be found in the smallest of things. That's true. Let me open it. Oh my god. As soon as I open it, it just smells so good. It smells really good, guys. So we have a foaming shower gel. Everything smells so good. Next, we have a whipped body cream. Anytime I find something that looks really good, I feel like not using it. Okay, let's try. I took a very generous amount. It smells pretty mild and I like it about it. It has a very creamy texture. It says Ritual of Yozakura. I don't know what. Third one, we have a body lotion mouse. I have never tried any mouse. This one is it's whipped cream, and this is a mouse, like as if it's some dessert. Wow, let's try. My god, how am I supposed to use this, guys? Look at that. My god, that's a lot. Ooh, I love it though. It's super moisturizing, guys. It actually is very moisturizing. Love that about it. Wow, I didn't expect that reveal. Okay, now we have a hair and body mist. That's interesting. How can something you apply to your body also go on your hair? Let's try. It's tiny. I mean, of course, it's a kit. I love the colors and the packaging. So beautiful. I don't know why is it not. Okay. the smell. I love the smell. It's good. That's a really cute gift. Okay, I need to check the expiry because it's already been a few months. So next up we have a set. You know, already know by this time how much I love lip products. We have a lot of lip liners. Like, I remember I only had like one lip liner that I used till the end, and now we have plenty. I think it's a like set of 12. I love this. My god, let's try one right now. I'm gonna use this one, pink one. My lips are like really overdone at this point. So next we have this beautiful hair dryer. So what happened was, my previous hair dryer, I had kept it in my PG and it was infested by cockroaches by the time I came back from home, so I had to get rid of it. Now we have this one from Havells and it's cute, it's pretty. Like, it has this color which is similar to pink. Of course, it's mauve, right? Yeah, it does its job. I don't know what the snowflake symbol is supposed to do. If you know, let me know. But yeah, this is the next gift. I lost track of the digits right now. So next up we have this hand perfume and it's in the flavor Bulgarian Rose. It looks so cute. How am I supposed to open this? Arey yaar. Acha, it's like this. It smells really nice. It's very mild, but it's good. It's handy, you can carry it anywhere. So next we have this really pretty pink thing. Take a guess. It's a bathrobe, guys. I've always wanted a pink bathrobe and here we go. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. Now I received these beautiful bangles, pink bangles. Wait, I'll show you these first. It's glass, like so. I think we gotta be careful. It looks so. Let's wear. I love it. So we have another pair of bangles. At this point, I lost count. God, it is in multicolor and has this thing. I don't know what you call it, but it's so cute. So we have another product from Rituals. It's this, the Ritual of Sakura Shimmering Body Spray. Broom Self. Oh my god, I can't even pronounce this. But it's in rice milk and cherry blossom. Let's try. We're supposed to try it here, right? I'm gonna spread it with this thing. I know I'm not supposed to spread. So I also received this beautiful cake and bouquet. So I am counting that in as well because that is a pretty expensive cake. So there's this beautiful vanity table that I have received. I'll insert the pictures or videos in here. That is also a part of my 21 things. That is also one of the things I received among the 21 things. Yeah, I love it. Then we have this tripod that I'm currently recording with, and that is also part of the gifts. So I received this beautiful bird hanging thing which I put in my living room, which is quite an expensive gift, I believe, and it just looks very aesthetic. I love decor and I'm super happy that I got that one. Then I also received this pretty fragrance kit which I already used, so I can't show. And we also got, what did we get? A cute tiara kit, because you know I'm into beauty pageants and I love tiaras, I love crowns. So we got one which is currently sitting on my vanity table, which I'll show. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, you all. I hope you had a great birthday or going to have one soon yet, or going to have one. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.